Book of Heaven, Volume 11, November 18, 1913. When the human will and the divine will are opposed, one forms the cross of the other. The cross can do as much good insofar as it is connected with the will of God. I was thinking about my poor state and how even the cross has been banished from me. And in my interior, Jesus told me,
"My daughter, when two wills are opposed to each other, one forms the cross of the other. So it is between me and the creatures. When their wills are opposed to mine, I form their cross, and they form mine. I am the long beam of the cross, while they are the short one, and crossing each other they form the cross. Now, when the will of the soul unites with mine, the beams are no longer crossed, but united, and therefore the cross is no longer a cross. Have you understood? And besides, I sanctified the cross. It was not the cross that sanctified me. It is not the cross that sanctifies. It is the resignation to my will that sanctifies the cross. Therefore, even the cross can do as much good insofar as it is connected with my will. Not only this, the cross sanctifies and crucifies part of the person, while my will does not spare anything. It sanctifies everything, and crucifies thoughts, desires, will, affections, heart, everything. And since my will is light, it shows to the soul the necessity of this sanctification and complete crucifixion, in such a way that she herself incites me to accomplish the crafting of my will upon her. Therefore, the cross and the other virtues are content as long as they get something, and if they can pierce the creature with 3 nails, they boast of their triumph. On the other hand, my will, which does not know how to do incomplete works, is not content with just 3 nails, but with as many nails for as many acts of my will which I dispose for the creature.